As soon as I saw my name at the rank 208, so there was a sense of satisfaction, sense of happiness and contentment that after years of struggle, I am finally landing up in a service of my choice. So yes, it was a moment of happiness. Telling about myself, I am Deeksha. I have graduated in Geography and Economics from Miranda House, Delhi University. And afterwards, I started doing my post-graduation in Geography from JNU. Then I started preparation of civil services examination, and in exam of 2016 I got into Indian Information Services. Then in subsequent attempt while being in job I got into DANIPS, and I joined DANIPS which is Delhi Police, and after working for almost 2.5 years, it was my 5th attempt in which I have got AIR 208. So that's a brief introduction about myself. Yes, in my case, it is a perfect example that those who are working professional or working out somewhere, they can also make it out. What depends is effective time management, because mine is not only 9 to 5 job, rather it was a 24 into 7 hours job. So what matters is how efficiently and effectively I was able to manage my time. For example, I used to devote weekends fully for about 10-12 hours into my studies. Then whatever time I used to get while I'm going to office or after lunch, I used to study online. So these days, since we have all the resources available online, definitely wherever we are, we can just revise whatever we have read. And then ultimately it's the dedication and perseverance which one has to inculcate. And it's very much possible because after getting into Indian Information Services, I have consistently worked without anything, and along with my jobs I have cracked it twice, once into DANIPS and once now. The challenges were multiple. Firstly, in my initial years, the challenge was many a times we face problem in answer writing or in prelims or in gathering the knowledge. In later attempts, the challenge changed and I had to manage it along with my job. So managing with the job was one of the challenges. Second, I am married also, so along with familial responsibilities and a tough job of being a police officer, this was the biggest challenge. However, support from family and then patience and studying consistently, that's what helped me in taking me so far. In EduChemie, I have been a student of prelims test series, and then in the mains for main support program for GS and essays, and also my optional is geography, so I have joined for geography as well, and also in the interview mentorship program I have been a student of EduChemie. Yes, definitely model answers and all those practice answers, they have actually helped out in articulating our answers in a more effective manner as per the demand of the questions. And secondly, they came really handy while revising at the last moment for the exam. These live interactive sessions, they help at multiple fronts. One, they provide immediate counseling by the teacher which is needed for the students since it's a long exhaustive process. And secondly, the queries which could take our time in reaching out while we are offline. So it helps in saving time and at the same time providing guidance very effectively. My optional has been geography, and in all my attempts I have given with geography. And the reason for choosing geography was because I have studied in my graduation and post-graduation about geography. And secondly, geography resources are available, there are standard books, and also the mentorship which is being provided by Shabbir sir, it has been really helpful in sailing me through geography optional. My daily routine, it used to depend upon my service because at every moment a police officer has to be on field and has to be alert and ready to go. So there was no fixed routine. However, I ensure that I am able to take out 3-4 hours daily, and on weekends I will utilize most of my times. So whatever time I used to get in between anywhere and everywhere, so I used to utilize my time more effectively and efficiently. Yes, also more so in the COVID times when there were no offline classes and no availability of teachers at the offline front, EduChemie provided us all the guidance online, and it has actually brought the knowledge, the success at the doorstep for everyone. Yes, these days if we see, there are more number of engineering and science students who are making it to UPSC list, and I was coming from a humanities background. So many times there are concerns regarding, like, we face problems in less number of students, they clear exam in preliminary from humanities background. But however, with more clarity, with more deep understanding of the issues and studies, it has certainly helped me. And humanities background has helped me out in mains answer writing, because we have a better practice of answer writing in our college days. So that certainly comes handy while attempting mains exam. Yes, this exam is really demanding, and it demands that one has to focus solely on this exam. However, I got married 3 years back. I would like to send out a message to all the married women as well, that marriage is no breaker in our success. It's no stop way that we should stop studying after that. Rather, we should utilize our time. At one point of time, we can keep our married life at a second priority and can focus on our dreams, immediate dreams. And also my husband, he has helped me a lot in studying, since he is also into the preparation process. So the collective effort of marriage, it has actually brought me a better success. And managing our time, being in police force, is very important. Also, I've learned from my training of police that one has to be really very efficient, very prompt in action, very decisive. So all those qualities which I have imbibed from my police training has actually helped me in realizing my dream. Talking about my on-job struggles, during my training I used to get up at 5 a.m. and then till 7 p.m. it used to be occupied totally by my job. And after that I used to take out 3-4 hours, and then obviously again in the morning I have to get up at 5 a.m. So that was one of the issues. And then secondly, while being on job, I had my night patrollings from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. Then I have my morning picket checkings from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. And then there are crime scenes happening. So a police officer's whole day and night is being occupied, and also farmer protest is going on. So we had our police arrangements as well. So amid all that, and also in COVID, it was the police which was working, being in the frontline service. So the challenges were multifarious, but I was somehow able to muster that courage that it's my dream and I have to realize it. And for that, maybe I cut down on sleep. I have slept for almost 4 hours only while I was preparing for my mains exam. So cutting down on sleep, cutting down on extra engagements at other places, like cutting down on family functions at times. All those sacrifices have helped me in performing my job also, and also realizing my dream. And maybe the experiences which my job brings has helped me in gaining ground level practical insights, which are also helpful in writing answers and in interview preparation. So I would say perhaps it's my job which has helped me in getting into a better service now. Girls, they face different sort of struggles. One, when they are living away from their homes, then safety security is one of the issues. And then secondly, if they don't clear in 1, 2 or 3 attempts, then there are doubts, and then maybe families, they start pushing them for marriage also, since the age is also happening. So there are many obstacles in the life of a girl. However, if she can give flight to her wings, then certainly she can bring laurels to her family, to her own life, and to the nation as well. Yes, that was the main point of my life when I shifted from Indian Information Services to DANIPS. Indian Information is a Group A service, while DANIPS is a Group B service. However, for me, it doesn't matter in which group I am. For me, the roles and responsibilities which a particular job gives to an officer, that mattered me the most. Secondly, the field service which is being provided by DANIPS as a service. We can work for women, for child, senior citizens, for prevention of crime, for ensuring safety, security. So this multifarious nature of the job and the social role which a police officer can play, it attracted me from Indian Information Service to DANIPS. And I always wanted to be a uniformed police officer, and this DANIPS further motivated me to move ahead for getting into IPS. For geography optional, my basic criteria was: one, I have focused on Shabir sir's notes. Secondly, I refer to all the standard books which he has suggested, because reading standard books, they differentiate your answers. And thirdly, since geography is a lengthy optional, so I have tried to stick to the syllabus all the time. And ultimately, it is the test series practice which I joined at EduChemie that has really helped, and also the model answers, because writing practice is must for geography optional. And I would like to dedicate and like say that Shabir sir has been my mentor in all 5 years of my geography optional. Not only geography but essays as well. And he has also motivated and given that sort of support which a candidate needs through all the exhaustive years when one loses out courage and strength. So he has always told to move ahead in life, keep working, and his own persistent efforts, they further motivates me to move ahead in life. Yes, synopsis, they help out in first we have to study a particular topic in proper detail, and then we have to compress it into one page. Every topic should have one page, because if we have made that one page, we can revise it at the right last moment when there is just one day left or 1 week perhaps. So we can revise all the synopsis, we can have a glance at all the major areas, because if we don't have synopsis, revising from the book is insurmountable, is very difficult. So synopsis is a significant role. These days, more so in the pandemic times, the education mode has shifted from offline to online, and because online education, it helps a lot in saving our times in going to coaching institutes. Second, students from remoter areas also can have accessibility to that online education. So the reach of the education, it increases many-fold if it is online, and hence online education is to be supported along with offline education. Coming to the preparation strategy, I would like to talk at different levels. One is preliminary examination. Preliminary examination, it demands that one should have a crystal clear understanding of the topics, because the way the exam has evolved itself, so we need to be really clear of the concepts rather than just having the rote learning. And second strategy was revising and multiple revisions and sticking to the sources, limited sources, because if we keep on reading unending and not revising, then that's not fruitful. And thirdly, practicing the test papers, it has actually helped a lot, because that way we commit those mistakes in test paper itself, and it saves in saving those mistakes in the right at the exam front. Coming to the mains preparation, then in the mains the key lies in answer writing, because it's not only about reading but about articulating our views, and answering specific to the demand of the question is very much required. Because if demand is being missed, which is often missed, because our question has to be answered in 7 minutes, so we need to very quickly decide what's asked and what we have to write. And second, completing the paper is a big challenge, and that completion only comes with adequate practice. And thirdly, for mains, we need to have effective time management between optional, essays and GS. So one is reading and another is writing that thing and getting evaluation from the right mentor, so that we can work upon our shortcomings. And personality test, it's an altogether different game. One has to be really, it's more about personality, it's more about our values which we have inside us rather than just the knowledge. And also our general awareness about current happenings around us and who we are as a person. That is what matters more on personality test. Since prelims is just 2 weeks away, so what matters more is one, revising whatever one has read. I used to revise out 2, 3, 4 times whatever I had read before. Second is revising those test papers which we have attempted of. For example, 2025 test, everyone attempts. So we should look into where we made mistakes so that they doesn't happen at that moment. And thirdly is inculcating that confidence in us, because prelims is more about confidence, and that will not come on that day itself. It has to be inculcated a fortnight before. So if we attempt confidently, then certainly there will be less blunders and less mistakes on the deciding day. Students who are aspiring for civil services examination, my advice would be, one is we should focus on the basic books, basic concepts, and focus on the strategy, integrative strategy of prelims and mains. And after that, we have to be really patient and dedicated, because maybe success may not come at the first attempt or second attempt, and then we end up giving, we end up questioning ourselves. So what matters more is coming back, bouncing back with more strength and more confidence, and persevering and living with that journey, living with that moment, so that at one day we see the light at the end of the tunnel. And with dedication and perseverance, everyone gets through sooner or later. That's the only message I have. you.